welcome back on the bin, and in this video we're going to be doing a cook up on the river on a bit of an island here off the side. Cook up some good food. We've also seen this weekend some waterfalls and some bears, a grizzly and a black bear, and we've seen the northern lights. So this is going to be a good video, sort of all chopped up, but like, yeah, the entire weekend in Banff from yours truly. So yeah, enjoy. It's going to be a good one. I'm super keen to use this, like really keen to use this. No more campfires, especially with the fire season. And yeah, see how we go. So, water's on the boil. Just got it from the river there, always get running water. So, eliminate most of the bacteria, and then we'll boil this up. Just put the tin foil on it because it's a little bit windy, so try and get the water to boil as fast as possible. And then noodles will go in, so I'll video that on my head. I think I'll do a little head cam when I'm putting the noodles in. Cheers. This is not a bad spot to have dinner. Good little view. I'll put in the video of watching the bears now. Yeah.
Bro, that's wild. I want to look at it.
And then I'll also put in the video of Ayub and Zach and I going to the canyon, Johnson's Canyon, now.
Woo!
Yeah. And then that night, Jack and I went down to the golf course and saw the northern lights. So there's only a small amount of footage on that one there, but I'll show that video now.
Let's go. Come on. Yeah, try to face it.
Yeah, good. Yeah. Yo, Jack. Oh my God. We also are going to have some dessert as well, so stay tuned for that. Time to make some cookies. Here the gas go. Lighter. Bang. We're on. So that's going to be hot very soon. You can already see it smoking up. I've got some cookie dough from the home. And what we're going to do is just mold it into like a bit of a cookie shape and slap it on there. And we're going to do 2 at once, see how we go. That's the other one there. Rightio, these cookies are done, man. Like, this flame is so strong, and these cookies, I'll show you in a second. It doesn't look tasty. But the thing about these, right, it's not your contemporary cookie, but it's already been cooked. It's a little bit imperfect. Get little chunks of cookie. Yum. Oh! That's good. Really happy with the jet boil. This is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. Give you a little bit of information on where I was today. So we have Rundle Mountain just up here, and last video you would have noticed that I was on the east end of Rundle, so all the way down the back, maybe I don't know, 7 or 8 peaks away, but this one's really close to my house, so if you just go about 15 minutes on a bike that way, you get to the golf course and then you get to where I live. This is the Bow River, so currently it's got a bunch of glacier melts. So it's very cold at the moment, like really cold, but it's got a really nice blue color, and that flows to Canmore, which then flows to, I don't know, but pretty sick. Can't get over this view. I'm going to wrap it up there. Hopefully you enjoyed the cook up and also seeing the bears and the northern lights. I'm just going to do like a bit of a time lapse of my ride home, so enjoy that one, and yeah, video next week coming, so get ready for that. Like and subscribe.